Hello and welcome back. Steel Pinnings here once again, and today I have for you a very special lock. As you can see, it is a Ruko or Assa Ruko 2 with the green stripe, and it is a gorgeous little padlock, and its bitting isn't very nice either. That one center is very deep, but as we can see, it works beautifully in the lock. This is the keyway, and of course the bitting once again. And I want to see if we can get it on video. Sorry. So let's, without further ado, let's get out the device. I've picked this in hand a couple times, but I want to try and pick it in the vise just because it's different. Let's check it, make sure it still works. Yep, works good. Alright, so I'm going to use top of the keyway tensions, the 40 thousandths pry bar from Peterson, sorry. So I'll zoom in just a touch more there. I think that's how we're going to be doing it. Don't believe this is going to work out very well. The lighting, maybe. I think pick-wise I'm going to use my new favorite pick. This is the 20 thousandths divorced from the Praxis set, the 23 thousandths. Yeah, anyway, this tension wrench doesn't fit in very tight, so it goes off to the side a little bit, but that ought to be okay. And then we just go in with some light tension and search for a binder, and I think it's going to be number 3, got a little touch, number 4, little touch, number 5. Work my way back. Jump to number 1 here. I think I overset one. I think so. I'm gonna restart that real quick. Of course, you know, it's going to be a little bit camera shy as soon as you know, want it to pick. And what I'm doing is having trouble getting those first 2 serrated pins to actually set. Get them to set, work on these spools, will be alright. I don't know if it's just that I'm not feeling what I need to be feeling or what, but I've never had this kind of trouble with it. It's weird. We got a little movement. There we go. Now we're setting 5. Jeez Louise. There we go. Now we got 5 set, 1 set, 4 set, 3 set. No, 2 set. 1's not set. 1's got counter. So here's the counter on it. Very lightly so we don't drop anything else. There it goes. And we're open. That is a cool little pick. Let's get it gutted and see what's inside. This will be the first gut that I've done to it. Like I said, I picked it a couple times, but I haven't gutted it. And I've got a tray ready to go. Screwdriver. And the shackle hole. And there's our core. Little snowman core. Pull out the little doodads. Turn this to a good spot. Pins are towards me. Oh, it ain't gonna come out with that in there, is it? Let's see if we can get that out of there too. And zoom in a little bit so y'all can see what I'm doing here. This little pin here is in the way. I'm trying to do this through the lens so y'all can see it better, but it's difficult. And see, you slowly get it to pull out some. Get something underneath it and fling it on out. And that's another piece. Now, make sure it's still lined up good. Yep. I don't think we need to shim it. Let me zoom out just a touch again. Pretty sure we don't need to shim it. There we go. And there's the key pins. Let's put in the key, make sure it works. Everything is working good. I don't see anything done to the key pins or the chambers, so that's why it allowed me to pick it. Slide that over there. 1, 2, and 3. 4. Oh, that's 5. And that one's 4. Yeah, nothing else done to the core. Well, let's see where the magic is. Holy crapola. That one's a serrated pin. And there's a spool. Another spool. Another spool. And another serrated. And all the springs look the same and nothing done to the Bible. So, it's really close to a stock Ruko, except it doesn't have the true Assa pins. Let's zoom in and get a good look at them here, huh? Alright. We have a standard key pin in 1, serrated in the driver, spool in driver 2, standard in key pin 2. Key pin 3 is standard, spool in driver. 4 is standard, spool in driver. And 5 is standard, and that is a homemade serrated driver. gorgeous little lock. Quite a fun little pick. I really do thank y'all for joining me on this little picking adventure into the Ruko Assa, or the Assa Ruko 2. I appreciate it, y'all. Please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I know that I'm about to hit 400 subscribers, and I am totally shocked on that. Y'all, please keep it coming, and I will too. Till we meet again, peace.